So hello my favorites, welcome in today's exercise, and if you're new to this channel, here we learn English and Luganda with ease. So today's exercise we're going to be reading some words. It's a reading exercise. Reading words. Okusoma ebigambo. Okay, now remember these words, we have looked at them. So the words I've covered with the paper, implying that you have to change them to Luganda. Okay, let's start. So can you read for me this word? Okay, this is toothbrush. Toothbrush, the one you use to brush your teeth. Toothbrush in Luganda. What is toothbrush in Luganda? Okay, hope you've got the answer correct. Let's see. Okay, akasenya. So toothbrush is akasenya. If you've passed the answer, you were right. Akasenya. Okay, let's go to the next word. Can you read this? We've ever looked at this word? Can you read this? Remember we said if a word has double vowels, you prolong the sound. Webanga ekigambo china letters biri eza vowel, sound yo egiprolonginga. Okay, so what is this? Esawa. Super. Esawa. And what is esawa in Luganda? Okay, this is clock. So clock is esawa in Luganda. Okay, can you read for me this? Jumping. Super. So jumping in Luganda is okubuuka. Okubuuka, because of W, okubuuka. Jumping is okubuuka. Let's go to the next word. We have, can you read for me this? Butterfly. Super. Butterfly. And butterfly in Luganda, what is butterfly in Luganda? Can you guess the answer? Okay, or if you passed it. Echiwojolo. So butterfly is echiwojolo. Hope you are together. Okay, let's proceed. Can you read for me this word? Mountain. 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 Mountain in Luganda is good. Olusozi. Olusozi. Mountain. Olusozi. Okay, what about this one? Can you read for me this one? Echifananyi. Echifananyi. And we said echifananyi in English. What is echifananyi in English? Okay, let's see. Echifananyi in English is picture. Super. If you passed it, you are right. Picture. Okay, let's proceed. Read for me this one. Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge in Luganda is okumanya. Okumanya, like you know something. Knowledge, you have knowledge about it. Okumanya. It is knowledge. Okay. Can you read this word? Remember we looked at months of the year. Can you read this word? This is February. February. Can you repeat that? February. Super. What is February in Luganda? A hint. It ends with sajja. Sajja. February ends with sajja. So what are the missing words here? Plus sajja. Okay, let's see. Mukutula nsanja. Super. Mukutula nsanja. So February in Luganda is mukutula nsanja. Okay, let's proceed. Read for me this word. I'm waiting for you. This one, number 9. Laughing. Laughing. Why are you laughing at me? Laughing. And what did we say laughing in Luganda is? Can you guess the answer? You can write the answers and you see whether you are right or wrong in the comment section. So laughing in Luganda is, okay, let's see. Super. Okuseka. So laughing is okuseka. Hope we are together. Okay, let's proceed. Praying. If I cover this one, can you guess the answer? Okay, so praying in Luganda is, once again. Super. Praying okusaba. You are praying to God. Okusaba olikosaba Katonda. Okay, let's go to number 11. Number 11. What is this in English? This one, can you read it? Remember, we are in reading words. Okusoma ebigambo. So, this one. Okay, this one is okulya. Okulya. What is okulya in English? Hope that one everyone can pass it. Okulya in English is... Okay, let's check the answer. Super. Eating. So eating is okulya. Okay, let's proceed. Number 12. Read that, please. Machine. Yes, machine. And what is machine in Luganda? Okay, let's see. Machine in Luganda is... Can you read this? Masini. Masini. So machine in Luganda is masini. Please note, machine is different from metal. Metal is a chuma. Machine is masini. Hope we are together on that. Okay, that was it in this video. Hope you've passed most of the words. And if you didn't, please review all of my videos because some of these words are in the videos previously. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Remember, and in today's Bible verse, we have Proverbs 1:7. You can go and read it. Remember, knowledge comes from obeying and acknowledging God first in everything that you do. Mukutya mukama amagezi mwegazokera. So mu verse ya fair Bible leo tusomye engero emu musanvu. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Remember, here at Benny 2178, we learn English and Luganda with ease. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye bye. Wherever.